Hey Geek, so I use OBS quite a bit. Most of the videos that I create is for these type of videos right here where I'm doing screen recordings. I do a lot of tutorial videos, but I also use it to just create normal videos like this, talking head videos with the camera. And the main camera that I use that's on top of my monitor is my Logitech C920 1080p webcam. And for most things, it works just fine. However, I do have other cameras, and so this is my Panasonic G85 camera. I'm using this with my MiraBox capture card, so then I could take the HDMI output over to my computer. And if you are able to use a real camera on this, then I highly recommend it. Obviously, it is definitely not as cheap as getting a webcam, but if you do want the best quality, then you're going to have to use a better camera. And I think this works really well with OBS. And for a lot of my quick videos like this, where I don't really want to record on my camera and then transfer that to my computer, I just simply connect it to my computer through my capture card and then record straight through OBS. And so hopefully you could tell the differences between my Panasonic G85 and my Logitech webcam, and also to see the practical uses of these two different cameras. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my OBS tutorials, tips, and tricks, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.